Rock and home. Pete Meyer, 13 experts. Meyer and Aaron Weber. Meyer, Weber, and Tagliamonte. Meyer, Weber, and Tagliamonte, moto number 293. Number 4 bike, Pete Meyer, Chappaqua County.
Making the 4 of Conte, moto 345. Wait, bringing it back this side out of 346 for In-Hee's Factory. Wait, got the 8 bike of Jeremy Baker. Justin Wheaton, Jeremy Baker, 1 and 2. 1 to transfer to a corner mate. Bring it to the strike, making the 1 of Justin Wheaton, transfer out of moto 346. 347, the moto on the track, more 16-year-old expert, bringing it at us. Sahara, rookie rider, leading him around right now. Got to be Acacia. Acacia in the hot slot. Powerlite rider, Ryan Johnson. Oh, Johnson got it knocked down in the corner. 361, the moto on the track right now. The 18 bike. Doing it out front, that is Dumabon. Dumabon for accelerate. Got it going in traction. New rider. Oh, diving in underneath Dumabon. Dodging the bullet, bringing it to the strike. Making the 18 of Dumabon. Picking up the transfer out of moto 361. Stumphouse bringing it back this way out of Fresno, California for Team Powerlite. Randy Stumphouse got the 5 bike. In the 2 slot, that is Frank Wade. Stumphouse for Powerlite. Going to pick up your transfer. 367, the moto on the track, got the 147 bike. Up Polkamp. Polkamp, lead him around right now. Hyper rider in the 2 slot. Got to be Dan Sprague. Polkamp and Sprague, 1 and 2 right now. CSC right in the 3 slot, that is Ortwine. Got ready for 1 and a quarter, making the 147 on that. Polkamp. Transfer out of moto 367. Another Powerlite rider, bringing it back this way. The 8 bike got to beat Corky Gainsford. The Gangster got him down in the corner.